Hey, welcome back to another video. This is a follow-up video of the one where, yes, got my badge of honor right here. You can see, and I want to do a follow-up video. This is after 1 week exactly to where it's almost healed up now. So it's still got a scab on it, still got to heal up, but I'll show you what we did here. As you can see right here, this is the corner that I did it on, and I went full bore in and did it head first. This is the pool noodle I was telling you about that will protect yourself. And the reason that I did it, as you can see, it sticks right over top of this area right here, which is where I go in for my wet base. So that's what made this very susceptible to me hitting my head right here. So there you have it, guys. I wanted to bring this to you, show you what we did and what's recommended by every RVer out there. One of my fellow RVers right here had extra pool noodle, allowed me to put it on there. I want to give a big shout out thanks to Bill and Di from Maryland that actually provided this for me. So thank you very much. And remember, guys, hope this information has been helpful. Hope this tip has been helpful to prevent one of you out there from getting your badge of honor. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you guys on the next one. And remember, as always, safe travels.